Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jano TV. Question number 1. What do you call an animal that eats both plants and meat? Answer: omnivore. Question number 2. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Answer: nectar. Question number 4. What is a part of the plant that absorbs water and nutrients from the soil? Answer: roots. Question number 5. Which country has the most volcanoes? Answer: Indonesia. Question number 6. What is the name of the sea bordered by Europe to the north and Africa to the south? Answer: the Mediterranean Sea. Question number 7. Who was the first human to travel into space? Answer: Yuri Gagarin. Question number 8. What year did the Titanic sink? Answer: 1912. Question number 9. What ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79? Answer: Pompeii. Question number 10. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Answer: avocado. Question number 11. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Answer: Vatican City. Question number 12. Which mammal is known for having a trunk? Answer: the elephant. Question number 13. Which animal is known to sleep standing up? Answer: the horse. Question number 14. What is a baby kangaroo called? Answer: a joey. Question number 15. What is the main function of the heart? Answer: to pump blood throughout the body. Question number 16. What part of the body produces insulin? Answer: the pancreas. Question number 17. What do you call a baby cat? Answer: kitten. Question number 18. What is the name of the toy that can transform into a robot and a vehicle in the Transformers series? Answer: Optimus Prime. Question number 19. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Answer: lizard. Question number 20. What is the name of the place where penguins live in the world? Answer: Antarctica. Question number 21. What is the name of the place where you go to borrow books? Answer: library. Question number 22. What do you call a group of wolves? Answer: pack. Question number 23. What is the name of the superhero who can swing from buildings and has the motto, "With great power comes great responsibility"? Answer: Spider-Man. Question number 24. What is the name of the fish that can change color and blend into its surroundings? Answer: chameleon fish, or simply chameleon in broader terms. Question number 25. What is the name of the vehicle that astronauts travel in to go to space? Answer: space shuttle. Question number 26. What type of tree produces acorns? Answer: oak tree. Question number 27. What is the color of the sun? Answer: yellow. Though it is technical white, it appears yellow from Earth. Question number 28. What do you call a book that provides a list of words and their meanings? Answer: dictionary. Question number 29. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Answer: tooth enamel. Question number 30. What do you call a story that is made up and not real? Answer: fiction. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like, share to our channel.